Uh-huh. We'll put it in reverse. That's as sharp as it'll turn there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Won't turn anymore. Let's see. Okay. We go to reverse. Clutch is down. All the way down. There you go. Now back it up that way. There we go, Isaiah.
What? What? Oh.
All right, let's come around this way. All the way down on the clutch. Yeah, clutch is all the way down, right there and straight back.
I'll get back. Okay. There we go.
All right.
Why are gnats getting me? There's a lot of gnats trying to get me. This is fun following Daddy. I can't wait to ride on it.
Yeah. After your dad gets a little more comfortable with it.